Hi Dad, I am coming to the home. Lift please.
Hey, what is your name, and where are you from?
My name is Rakib and I am from Canada. Please stop here.
Okay.
Hi Dad and Mom, how are you all? We are all fine my son. And how are you? I am fine too. Hey Runa, where are you now? I back to my home. I will meet you very soon.
Hey Rakib, I am at my home. Please come to my home. I would like to meet you now.
I don't want to go to your home. Please come to the Sonali Park. Bye Mom, see you soon with you. Hi Runa, how are you?
I am fine. Let's have a sit and talk more. Rakib, you're finally back. It's been so long since we last saw each other. How was your time abroad?
Runa, it's great to see you too. These past 5 years have been a whirlwind of experiences. Living in a different country, studying new subjects, and meeting people from diverse cultures, it was truly transformative.
Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to watch more videos.
I can only imagine. I'm so proud of you for pursuing your dreams. Tell me, what was the most memorable part of your study abroad journey?
There were so many memorable moments, but if I had to choose one, it would be the friendships I made. I met incredible people who became like family to me. We explored the city together, studied late nights, and shared countless laughs. It made the whole experience even more meaningful.
That sounds amazing. I'm glad you had such a supportive network there. But, I have to admit, I missed you a lot during these years. We used to spend so much time together. Remember those long walks and talks we used to have?
Of course, I remember. Those moments were special to me too. Distance may have kept us physically apart, but it didn't diminish the bond we share. We've always been there for each other, even from afar. That's the beauty of true friendship, Runa.
You're absolutely right, Rakib. Our friendship has stood the test of time, and I'm grateful for that. Now that you're back, I can't wait to catch up on all the stories you have to share. I'm sure you've experienced so much.
Oh, there are definitely stories to tell. But I'm equally eager to hear about your life here while I was away. I want to know everything that has happened with you, Runa. Fill me in on all the details.
Trust me, Rakib, there's a lot to catch up on. From career milestones to personal adventures, I've had my fair share of experiences too. It's going to be so much fun sharing our stories and creating new memories together.
I couldn't agree more, Runa. It feels surreal to be back, but it's also comforting to know that some things never change. Our friendship is one of those things, and I cherish it dearly.
Welcome home, Rakib. Let's make the most of this reunion and create even more beautiful memories together. Our friendship has only grown stronger, and I'm grateful to have you back in my life.
Thank you, Runa. I couldn't have asked for a warmer welcome. Here's to new beginnings and a future filled with laughter, love, and endless adventures together.
So, tell me, did you bring back any souvenirs from your time abroad? I'm hoping for something exciting and unique.
Well, I may not have physical souvenirs, but I did bring back a wealth of knowledge and cultural experiences. However, I do have a little surprise for you. Close your eyes and hold out your hand.
Okay, my eyes are closed, and my hand is ready. What's the surprise?
Open your eyes now.
Oh, Rakib. It's a beautiful bracelet. It's so delicate and intricately designed. Thank you. It's absolutely lovely.
I'm glad you like it, Runa. I saw it during my travels and thought it would be a perfect gift for you. Whenever you wear it, I hope it reminds you of our friendship and the adventures we've shared.
It will definitely hold a special place in my heart, Rakib. Thank you for thinking of me and bringing back something so meaningful. It's gestures like these that make our friendship so precious.
You deserve every bit of it, Runa. Our friendship has been a constant source of support and joy in my life, even when we were miles apart. This bracelet is just a small token of my gratitude.
Well, now that you're back, we need to plan some adventures of our own. We have 5 years of catching up to do. I'm thinking road trips, exploring new places, and trying new cuisines. What do you say?
Absolutely. Count me in. I've missed our spontaneous adventures and the laughter we shared. Let's make a pact to keep the spirit of exploration alive, both locally and internationally. Together, there's no limit to what we can experience.
That's the spirit. Our friendship is a lifelong adventure, Rakib, and I'm thrilled to embark on this next chapter with you. Here's to many more incredible moments, both big and small.
Cheers to that, Runa. Our reunion marks the beginning of a new journey, filled with love, laughter, and endless possibilities. I'm grateful to have you as my friend, today and always.
You know, Rakib, while you were away, I discovered a newfound passion for photography. I've been capturing moments and exploring the beauty of our surroundings. I can't wait to show you some of my favorite shots.
That's wonderful, Runa. I've always admired your creativity and eye for detail. I can't wait to see the world through your lens. Your photos will undoubtedly inspire me and maybe even spark my own artistic side.
I'm thrilled to hear that. I'll make sure to prepare a collection of my best photographs for our next get-together. It will be a visual journey, sharing stories through images. And who knows, maybe we can even collaborate on a photography project together.
That sounds like a fantastic idea. Our combined perspectives and talents could create something truly unique. I've always appreciated your imaginative approach to things, and I'm excited to see how we can bring our creative energies together.
Speaking of creativity, I've been working on a few short stories and poems during your absence. I found solace in writing, and it helped me express my thoughts and emotions. If you're interested, I'd love to share some of my pieces with you.
Absolutely, Runa. I'd be honored to read your stories and poems. Your words have a way of painting vivid pictures and evoking deep emotions. I'm sure they will touch my heart and resonate with me on a profound level.
Thank you for your kind words, Rakib.
It
means a lot to me. I believe that art, in all its forms, connects us on a deeper level and helps us understand ourselves and the world around us. Sharing our artistic endeavors will strengthen our bond even further.
I couldn't agree more, Runa. Our shared love for art and creative expression is yet another thread that ties us together. It's a beautiful way to explore our thoughts, dreams, and the essence of being human.
As we embark on this new chapter of our friendship, let's promise to encourage and support each other's creative endeavors. Let's be each other's biggest cheerleaders, inspiring and motivating one another to reach new heights.
Absolutely, Runa. We've always been each other's pillars of support, and that won't change. Together, we'll push the boundaries of our creativity and embark on remarkable artistic journeys. I'm so grateful to have you as my friend and creative soulmate.
The feeling is mutual, Rakib. Our friendship is a tapestry woven with love, trust, and shared experiences. I cherish it deeply, and I'm excited to see what the future holds for us, both as friends and as creative collaborators.
Here's to our enduring friendship and the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. May our artistic pursuits bring us closer and infuse our lives with even more beauty and meaning. Cheers, my dear friend.
Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.